Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to do the rose look. So I have got a 3-tone paint. This one is Strawberry Dream. I have an angled brush. I've also got a petal brush, so it's slightly petal shaped, and kind of a pointy brush as well. So I'm going to use my split cake and a green paint and some white paint as well. So with the brush, you want to get the brush nice and wet into the paint. So the pointy bit of the brush would go in the white, so you swipe it across lots. You're going to pick up quite a lot of paint on that brush there, really getting it in the middle, so you get on the brush from light to dark. And there are loads of different ways of painting roses, but do the way you know best. So excuse the funny facial expressions. So you want to do kind of a wiggle, do the outside petals and then do the inside ones. So here we go. So it's lighter on the outside. And then another one. And then the last one, join it up, so you do about 5. And you want to do a C shape. And then another one inside. And going the other way. And then just swiping around. And that's kind of your rose. You put another couple in. And you know what, I'm going to put a second one in here, a little one. Cool. Right, let's put some leaves on that. So there's 2 ways you can do it. You can either start by pressing down first and then sweeping forward, or you can go up to a point and you get a leaf look. So you've got a sweep or the leaves. So I'm going to do a couple of both. Right. And then you got some white. And again with a curvy brush, it's really good for doing dots. So something a bit like that.